In today's video, we have our Boxycharm for November 2024. This is the Boxycharm by Ipsy, or Ipsy by Boxycharm? Boxycharm by Ipsy. It's been a minute. If you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this worth the money? Keep on watching. Today's co-host is Miss Akira, aka Curie, aka Bored to Death. I just got done filming the Ipsy icon for November. I don't know which is going to go up first, so if it's already out, then I will pin a comment and link the video down below. But anyway, this just came today. Today is the 29th. Where's my phone? Oh no, I lost it already.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, it is 2:07. Oh, it's getting nice out. It's 69 out. Okay, all right. Last night it went down to the 30s. It was so cold. All right, anyway, it just came today. So, like I said, it's the Boxycharm for November. All right, let's open her up. Okay, so the theme for Boxycharm for November is glow off this winter. I love that. Glow off. Oh, my gosh. I'm wondering if the glow means like skincare or like sparkly. I don't know. We'll see. You know what's weird? This is just me, but okay, so they have like Christmas stuff, and you know, wouldn't you think they would wait till December for that? Like, I don't know. Here is a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, like to tease a little bit.
That's supposed to be a joke?
Okay.
All right, the first thing that I got is from Brush Club. I don't think we've ever got anything from them that I can remember. It's a 3-piece face brush set. Or maybe it's from Spectrum, or is that the brand? I don't know. Spectrum Brush Club. I guess that's the brand. We'll look it up, but let's open her up. Keep losing my knife here. All right, so it comes like this. Let's take one out. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so this is the Spectrum AO3 brush. I guess this would be good for foundation or concealer, you know? Okay. Then we got the A29 brush, and this could either be a highlighting brush, which I would use it for. I would use this for a highlighting brush, to be honest with you. And then we got the A28 brush. And this is definitely like a detail brush, or for me, because I have smaller, slightly hooded eyes, I like to use these when I'm going to smoke my eyes out. It's perfect to put that dark color in. So, all right. All three of these brushes I would use right here. All right, let's look it up and see the price. So they do have a website under Spectrum. Let's see. All right, so this is not on the website, but they do have 3 like piece makeup brush sets, and it's going for $28. So I don't know if this is just like collab with, you know, Ipsy or what, or maybe it's new. So, you know, around $30, you know, so. All right, we have that. The next thing is from Ren. Oh, do I have this already? This is the Radiance Exfoliant. Oh, Exfoliating Facial. Let me see, because this is what I've been using right here. I think this is different. I got this in Ipsy last month, and I love the packaging. You see, look, I'm telling you, I use my products, and so I'm like halfway done. I like to use them up so that when somebody asks me if it's a good product, I can let you know. Or if I get a repeat in it, I could tell you if I used it, do I like it, do I not, you know? I do like Ren products. I don't think I've ever used this. This is for suitable for sensitive skin. All right, let's see. Does it have a safety seal? Ooh, yes. Okay. I'll look her up in a second and see the price and all that. When I first look at it, if you in person, it looks like sand. So this is an exfoliator. I think like I'm gonna look it up, but I think this is face wash, you know. Oh, I gotta take that off. It's like gooey. Okay, so on the Ren website, this is $44. It says it's a 2-minute PHA and vitamin C facial with instant glowing results for even the most sensitive skin. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It says you would use this 2 to 3 times a week, so you don't use it daily. Apply to damp face and gently massage in a circular motion. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. So, all right, I'm excited for this because you guys know I like anything exfoliating. I would probably use this after I took my makeup off as like a second cleanse, to be honest with you, just to make sure everything's off. That's how I would use it. Okay, what we got? Dew of the Gods, Apple Sugar Plum. Ooh, a lip butter. Why does this sound familiar? I think I got this last month, and if this is what it is, I love it, and it's, oh, let me see. It has saran wrap on it, so. I really like Dew of the Gods. I've really been liking their skincare. Like all of their serums and everything, really have. Look. Oh. Yes. Oh my goodness. I love this. All right. I'm just going to put a little bit on here so I have lipstick on. I just want to smell it. All right. So it's like a regular like lip gloss. Oh, I can smell apple. What did it say it was? Apple sugar plum. This smells really good. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? The e.l.f. Do I have the e.l.f. right here? My friend Jody sent me some like e.l.f. Yes, right here. The e.l.f. Lip balms. Let me just tell you something. I know we're doing a Boxycharm unboxing, but check these out. I'm telling you, they are worth every single penny. I am shocked how good this is. Love it so much. But that's exactly what this feels like. The only thing was the e.l.f. It doesn't last very long. So hopefully, what the heck do I have on my hand? Hopefully, this will last long because I enjoy this type of stuff for like nighttime. Like after my shower and all of that stuff. Oh, I am excited for that. Let me see how much that is. Because, what is that thing? You know that video that goes around? Love it. Give me 14 more of them. You know what I'm talking about? I would buy that.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are $24. I don't know if I'd buy a couple more, to be honest with you. It depends how good it works, you know? But this is really nice. Okay, 2 more items. The next thing this is open, but that's all right. What you be? This is, oh, please tell me this is a perfume. This is by Rosie Jane. What are you? Dulce? I don't know. You guys know I've been really into my perfumes, and you guys know now I'm like dating somebody. So we went on our second date the other day, which I'm going to do a vlog today and tell you all about it. It was really, really good. We went out to eat and bowling and stuff. I suck at bowling. Can I just tell you that? So I am so excited to get this. All right, let's see. Please let it smell good. Oh, no. Okay. All right. Now that it's subsiding, it smells like food, like pastry or something. I don't know. I'm going to look into the notes. I enjoy more like fruity, sweet smells. Well, this is sweet. But then again, this is probably something nice, a change up, you know. For me, like, let me, what am I doing? Just getting ready to look in here. Let me look that up and see exactly what that is, the price, all of that. That smells really good. And is that full size? Because you know we're supposed to get all full size items in Boxycharm. Who knows? Okay, I don't think it's full size because that's what what happened here? That's what full size looks like. And that says it's $80. What sizes are you? What'd you be? 33. So the travel spray, that's 10 mils is $29. And this is a little bit bigger. Then you have 50 mil. What is the 50 mil? The 50 mil is 80. So I would say this is probably about $50. And what are the notes? Vanilla. I smelled vanilla. Remember I was saying it's like like bakery or whatever. Vanilla, hinoki wood, and nude musk. Okay, the musk is definitely what I smelled when I first sprayed it because it was like strong, you know. And I'm not a musky type of girl. I don't know what hinoki wood is. Let me show you. You guys want to look that up. I'm not sure what that is, but I smell vanilla. It says this is dulce is a sweet, unmistakable take on vanilla with small hints of chocolate and deliciously joyful woody softness that lingers on the skin. Youthful and irresistible. I honestly just smell vanilla. If you like vanilla, you're going to like this. When you first spray it, it's a little strong, but let it sit for a minute and it does get better. I like it. It's not my favorite, but I do like it and I would wear this out. Absolutely. Okay. So we have that. It may not be like a full size, but I mean, it's definitely a decent size, you know? And last but not least, we have the Violet Voss Disco Drip. This looks familiar. I don't know if I have this or not. I'm still working on my declutters. I don't know if I have this or not, like I said. So you do get a mirror. And it's all shimmers except for this brown one. And oh, you know what? I wouldn't mind. But I wish this brown was a little bit darker. Let me swatch it.
You know what I wish? I wish that you noticed that your mascara was down your eye for at least 10 minutes now.
For me. Because if I'm just going to do... Oh, I got to take this off. Hold on. All right, so that's going in once. Let me build it up. Because I tell you all the time, I don't mind that as long as it's built. Yeah, it's definitely buildable. Oh, absolutely. Okay, so that's going in 3 times. Still, for me, now I know a lot of people wouldn't mind this and would like it. I'm talking about me, personal preference. I wish it was just a tad bit darker, but that's okay. I mean, for me, I would just... It'd be a one and done. I'd probably go into another palette and do a transition shade, a lighter transition shade, and then go in with the shimmer and then the brown and then call it a day. But you don't have to do that. You could just put a little shimmer on like I have today. I have a shimmer on I got from ZC Cosmetics. I think I got it in my ice cream beauty box. I have that there and then just a brownie color shadow, a matte shadow. So it's just 2 shadows, you know?
You know what else you got? You still got that mascara down your eye.
So that's perfect. So that's good. Because for me, like you see, it's dark, but once you blend it out, let me just show you, it gets a lot lighter. Like I'm going to blend it out with my finger. But you see what I mean? See how light that gets now? So what you would have to do is put it on, blend it, put it on again, blend it, put it on, blend it until you get the color that you want. That's why I wish it was just a little bit darker. But this is a nice palette though, you know. Let's see how much this puppy is. Okay, it's sold out, but it's going for $43 on the Ipsy site right here, if you guys can see. Can you see that? $43. So that is everything. All right, so let's recap everything that I got in my November Boxycharm. So I got the Violet Voss Disco Drip, which, like it. I ain't knocking it. We got the perfume. I'm so excited. I hope I get perfumes every month. I'm telling you. If you want to get me something for Christmas, get me a perfume. You know, because I'm on this perfume kick. So we have this. Like it. Is it my favorite? No. Would I purchase this if it was at a store? I don't know. Would I purchase it if it was $50 at a store? No. But if it was on sale, most likely I would probably get it, you know? Will I wear it because it came in the box? Absolutely. We have this. This is the Ren exfoliating like cleanser. I'm really happy to get that. What else? How can I forget? Dew of the Gods lip butter. Oh my God, I'm so excited for that. And what was my other item? Oh, the brushes. This is like, only because I have so many, but I will use it. So my overall thoughts, is this worth about $30? You're damn right. If somebody said, would you give me $30 for this? Hell yeah, I definitely would. I think this is a really, really good box. Have I had better? Absolutely. Had I had worse? Absolutely. But I really have no complaints. Everything in here I will definitely use. I think this is, for me, probably one of the better boxes. But let me know what you think. Would you be happy if you got this box? Would you pay $30 for this box? And let me know if you're going to choose any of these items, if they're your choice items. Let me know down below. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. It really does help out with engagement. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. You're being such a good girl. You don't want your bone? You want your bone? Oh, my bubba. You're so good. You're so good.